In this video tutorial, we'll explain how to format your hat design files for embroidery. Teespring offers the ability to sell embroidered hats on demand. This means that you won't have to pay for inventory up front. But in order for your design to be embroidered on the hat, it has to be digitized first. Teespring's digitization fee is $10, and we collect this one-time fee when creating your hat listing. We offer 4 different hat styles to choose from in a variety of colors. Keep in mind that beanies require a separate design file because beanies have slightly different requirements for embroidery. So let's go over some of the different design file characteristics you need to know about before creating a design for embroidery. The term trim refers to the process of a machine cutting the thread after completing one artwork element. For example, when embroidering a single word, each letter could be trimmed before moving on to the next letter, or each letter could be connected using a single stitch. Excessive trimming slows down the production process and adds additional cost. So the maximum number of trims your design can feature is 20. This way, we can provide you with the best pricing possible and production timeline too. Teespring offers 15 different thread color options. You can add up to 6 thread colors per design. We provide the available colors in the hat design template and in our embroidery guide in the blog. Please note, if you submit a design that features different thread colors than the ones we offer, your design will be modified based on our offering. So, as you can see, creating hat designs is a bit more complex compared to other products. This is because designs are stitched and not printed. So for this reason, it's important to understand what designs work and don't work for embroidery. To start, design line thickness can't be smaller than 4 points. So any fonts or text that you use should be at least 18 points. Make sure that all the design elements are no smaller than 1/8 of an inch. Also, it's best to create simple designs because embroidery does not allow for excessive amounts of detail. Your design should feature sufficient space between design elements, and we recommend providing at least 5 millimeters of negative space. Definitely avoid using gradients, drop shadows, or photographic elements in your hat designs. Design should feature solid vector shapes. Aim to keep your design simple and avoid using uneven or randomly placed design elements too. Also, avoid using extremely small or thin design elements in your artwork because we won't be able to stitch these onto the hats or beanies. Now that we've covered design characteristics, let's demonstrate how to use the hat design template. Keep in mind that there are 2 distinct templates, one for hats and one for beanies. To get started, download the hat or beanie design template provided in the Teespring launcher. Both templates are similar, so you can apply your learnings from this video to either one. Open the template in Illustrator or any vector design software that can import and export EPS files. In this example, we'll be using Illustrator. The template is the total design area that will be embroidered onto the hat. The visual guides visible on the template show you the real size references which your design must meet to be embroidered. Use the thread color layer to see the available colors you can feature in your design. You can click a square to select it as your current fill color. Make sure to limit the number of colors in your design to 6 or less. To add text to the design template, click the Type tool and select a space on the artboard. When adding text to the template, you need to make sure that the smaller lowercase letters are the same size or larger than the A reference here in the visual guide. If you have 2 or more elements in the design, you will need to make sure that there is at least 5 millimeters of space between each element. You can see how much space is required in the visual guide. If you use line artwork in your design, you will need to make sure that the lines are at least 4 points in thickness. To create line artwork, you can use the pen tool. Once you've drawn your shape, go to the top toolbar and change the stroke thickness to 4 points. You can double check the thickness in the line against this visual guide. When you're ready to export your design, first you will need to convert any line work and text to solid objects and delete extra layers. So first, go to Select, All, and then go to Object Expand. Next, let's delete the layers called Template Information and Thread Color. The last step is saving your design file. Go to File, Save As, and then select Illustrator EPS and check the Use Artboards box. Then save your file. So now that your artwork is ready, you can head back to the Teespring launcher and submit your hat product request. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. You can head over to Teespring's YouTube channel for more video tutorials and tips.